This is my Craftsman drill press. You can see the name right on the top front. And also, there's a model number on the base, 103.23140. It comes with a Delco rigid frame motor. That there again. Okay, maybe that's a little better. There's a power box on the back. The top is for power. The bottom is for forward or reverse. Let's turn it on. The belts are adjustable, so you can change the speed of the drill bit. There's a place for the chuck key and an adjustment for the table to raise it or lower it. The drill head can be locked in position with this lever, or it could be raised or lowered on the post depending on what your working conditions might be. These are some sockets on the table, holding pretty steady. This is the drill. Has a pretty steady sound to it. Lower the drill and raise the drill. Seems like it has play of I don't know, about 5-6 inches. And that is the Craftsman drill press. Oh, one more thing. I just did the reverse, so now it's spinning in the other direction. Alright, so there goes your Craftsman drill press.